NCCI President Bisi Uirab gave an update on what has been achieved thus far by the NCCI-led initiative, which was launched last month in support of government's efforts against the pandemic. The private emergency intervention was created to deal with identified loopholes, including the supply of medical oxygen, equipment, and other critical medical supply, both in state and private medical facilities. The coalition has formed a high-level private sector COVID-19 response committee comprised of top executives in the private sector. That committee is to ensure, among others, a transparent procurement and logistic supply chain. Two subcommittees will further be responsible for different functions. The first one is the Oxygen Supply Subcommittee.
Donor funds targeted for bulk medical oxygen are hand-channeled to the Clearing and Forwarding Agents Oxygen Trust account. The name of that company is Innovate. Innovate receives the invoices from the two oxygen suppliers at cost to the suppliers and pays them. Innovate then recovers the invoiced amount from the supplier by invoicing the donor or the donors according to the ratio and proportion of their donation. The committee leader engages directly with the Minister of Health and Social Services at the ED level and other technical officials level for guidance in terms of priority allocations and distribution of the oxygen according to the emergency needs countrywide.
The second subcommittee deals with facilities, equipment, and other medical supplies.
And this team consists of key supporting donors such as Barlow World Namibia, the Hangala Construction Team, Namibia Institute of Mining Technology, amongst others, and they are responsible for the coordinating function pertaining to securing critical facilities and equipment to support the Namibian government in their efforts to provide critical support to COVID-19 infected Namibians who require urgent medical attention.
The cost on goods and services in this initiative will be VAT exempted as agreed in conjunction with the Namibia Revenue Agency, NAMRA. Timo Andreas, NBC News, Windhoek.